So if you're a regular viewer of the channel, you'll know I've been using Thermaltake's TOUGHPOWER GF-A3 Snow in most of my white builds. It's a really solid power supply, it's nice and compact, only 140mm long, and it's worked really well in the builds, nice white cables on it. So I've just had a delivery from Thermaltake. It's exactly the same model number, but you can now see that it's ATX 3.1 compatible. So let's go ahead and get this one unboxed and take a closer look at it. So a lot of the good things about this power supply are unchanged. It's still lovely and compact at only 140mm long. We've got a zero fan mode, so at power loads at less than 30%, the fan will stop spinning, helping reduce noise in the build. And you see we've got a little sticker on the back explaining how the zero fan mode works. So we're going to want to turn it on. The power supply still features a single 12-volt rail. It uses high-quality 105-degree Japanese capacitors, and for your peace of mind, it comes with a 10-year warranty. But the major upgrade seems to be the move to the latest ATX 3.1 standards. And with this in mind, you can now see that we've got a 12-volt 2x6 connector for our graphics card. We've also got 3 connectors where we can plug in EPS, our standard PCIe cables. We've got connectors for our 24-pin motherboard cable. And we've got 3 connectors to plug in SATA or Molex cables. So these are all the cables that come in the box with our power supply. So we've got our 24-pin motherboard cable, we've got our 12-volt 2x6 cable, and this one's rated for 450 watts. We've got a single EPS cable, and it comes with 2 4+4 pin connectors on it. We've got 2 standard PCIe cables, and in each cable there is 2 6+2 pin connectors, giving you a total of 4. We've got a single SATA power cable with 4 SATA connectors on it. We've got 2 Molex power connectors with a total of 8 Molex connectors, 4 on each cable, and we've got a floppy disk adapter. We've also got our power cable, and we've got a little bag with some cable ties and power supply screws. So it's great to see that Thermaltake have upgraded this power supply to the latest ATX 3.1 standard, and you'll be seeing this in my next white build. If you have enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not currently subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching.